Hello everybody, on today's video we have this Tesla to J1772 charging adapter. This device allows you to instantly access Tesla wall connectors, mobile chargers, and destination chargers around with just this simple plug. Works with most J1772 electric vehicles including Ford, Hyundai, Chevy, Honda, Rivian, BMW, Toyota, and more. It is not for Tesla vehicles or for Tesla superchargers, but it works with Tesla level 1 and level 2 chargers. It's got a secure tight fit with smart locking design, precision engineered connectivity, prevents loose charging, power interruptions, or overheating during use, supports up to 80 amps at 250 volts, outperforming standard 48 amp adapters for significantly faster level 1 and level 2 charging. It is made from heat resistant, flame retardant materials to ensure safe, stable charging in all environments. And it's built for extreme condition, operates reliably from negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122, and does not support Tesla superchargers at all. It is lightweight at 0.53 pounds and it easily fits in your glove box or your trunk. Unlock access to over 172,000 charging adapters with this Tesla to J1772 charging adapter. Buy yours now.